This is what we're making today. Let's get it rolling. Yeah. Hey folks, we got a fun little cooking video here for you. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen, and Maddie is going to create these for us. And this is an air fryer video. These liners that I use, that you'll be seeing us use, is always in my Amazon store. Link is down below. What we're going to do, we're going to take this Bisquick buttermilk biscuits. I've been making these a few times in here, but this time we're going to see, using a little bit of flour, if we can make some ham and cheese shoved in this goodness stuff and make something nice, pipey hot. And we're going with a pineapple ham today. What's pineapple ham mean? It's not pineapple ham. It's called Hawaiian ham because it has that pineapple taste in it. I blew that one, but we're just going to keep moving on. I think you're using gloves too, ain't you?
Yeah.
And on this, you use the whole pack and a half a thing of water. Got that right there. All right. I'll turn around and we'll have Maddie be making this creation. Alright, at this point, she's just going to put that mix right there. Go ahead and start mixing. You can do half and mix it and then add the second half. Sometimes that's easier, or you can just put the whole thing in there and you have to work for it. You gonna work for it? Yeah. Alright, we'll be back after she gets that mixed up. Yeah. Looky there. She did a fine job. Alright, now we're at the point that she's going to get one of these out, get a little flour on it, and we'll see how she gets this rolling. Okay, be right back. Alright, so she's got that baby flattened out. She's got that baby flattened out right there, and they're not going to be nice and fluffy like the picture, like they normally are. Now, yes. Split up a little bit of that, and you're going to put it on one side, and the cheese on top, and then we're going to fold it over and pinch it together, okay?
That much or like more?
I'd put the same amount.
I think that's
same amount again. Same amount of ham again.
Oh.
Or you can put the cheese in between them, I don't care. No. You're going to leave one side empty. There you go. That's good. What's the first thing you did when you got that ham out of that bag?
Taste it.
That's right, tasted it. Alright, now you're going to flip it over. Squeeze the ends down.
Just do that.
Flatten it. Careful. And then set it aside. We'll do the rest and we'll come back and show everybody what we've done at that point. Oh, by the way, if you see over there, I did kind of divide it up. So we kind of get about the portion we're supposed to. Well, she's coming up with nice little squares there. She's getting the hang of it. She's going faster. Oh, so what we're going to do, we're going to put this on a 4. The bottom's on. We're going to preheat. Oh, that was fantastic. Don't leave your ladder in there by itself. All right, we'll just move that baby there. Note to self, another tip from Papa Texas. Yeah. Why didn't you teach me that, booger? Alright, at this time, that's what we ended up with off that one package. 6 of them. She did a good job. Oh, and we got a little round one left. You gonna put that in there too?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's put that in there. So at this point, Evo is your friend. We're going to spray the bottom of that, and now she's going to take them and put them in here. She's going to take them and put them in here. She's going to take them and put them in here. And they're not going to touch. Alright. They have powder, aren't we? No, I'm not going to spray them yet. At this point in time, we're going to close it and put the timer on for 5 minutes. Bottom's on. Top's on high. There we go. Alright, there's our 5-minute mark. Wow. These are very different than the ones I did, so it's hard to say. There's our little nugget. what to do next. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep an eye on them, but I'm gonna go 3 more minutes at this point before I change something up. All right, 3 minutes. All right. We did 5 minutes, and then we did 3 minutes. 1 more minute with the top off. All right, that's what we got. Let me get these out. I'm gonna do that one just a tad longer. Let me get these out, and we'll show you plated up. This is what we're making today. Let's get it rolling. Yeah. Look at that goodness. Right there. This is going to be awesome. Let it cool off just a little bit and we will try one. Alright, I'll just go with this baby. There's what mine's going to look like. Alright, Maze. What do you think? You can taste the dough for sure. You know what I done? More cheese, baby. I mean, more ham. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Next time we'll put more ham in there. Can you taste the sweetness of the pineapple?
No.
Alright, folks. This is Papa, Texas, Papa's Kitchen, and Maddie. We will see you on the next one. See ya. Yeah. Have a good week. See ya.